So if you're in the market for a fan, this is a nice one. This is a Woozoo. Name of it's Woozoo. It's a Globe multi-directional 5-speed with a timer oscillating fan with, of course, a remote control. So you can set that speed timer for 1, 2, or 4 hours. You can see here. Also, there's 4 different speed settings for the fan itself. But what's unique about this fan is that it goes up and down, left and right. So it's like a circular motion, as you can see here, as it's going up and down. And it has a vortex motion with the air, which is really important. So you get that really all around circulation of air. You're gonna feel it not blowing on your head, but you're gonna feel like a breeze going all around the whole room. Really kind of cool. You can set it to just go up and down, or you can set it to go left and right, or the whole thing. So it's really kind of cool. It is white in color, as you can see here. It's got a gray face in front of it with the finger guards, and it's definitely, I highly recommend this one. This is a super nice fan, high quality, really heavy duty. It's gonna last you a lifetime. I love it. Definitely highly recommend this one. Thanks for watching.